Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to change your age on Twitter. So let's get started. At first we need to know that Twitter app is now changed to this app called X. So let's get into it. Now click on your profile icon on the top left corner. Now click on profile and click on setup profile over here. Now we can see date of birth option and I have not added my date of birth as well. So let's click on this and let's set up date of birth first and click on continue. Here we can see the date of birth now. After that let's tap on this and here's no option to edit or change your date of birth. Simply click on remove date of birth and remove it, and now again we need to correct our date of birth and click on continue. Now the date of birth is changed. So this is all we need to do to change date of birth in Twitter. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.